Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's I, Miles, aka the YungPoleMaster, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do 5 easy moves that anybody can do. Stay tuned.
Before we get started, make sure you click that subscribe button and click the bell to stay notified. Like, comment, and share with your friends. Are you ready? And that's all, folks. We're gonna pole and prosper all 2020. If you like what you see, follow me on Instagram and share what you've done. I would love to see it, as well as on Twitter. This is your fairy pole father, signing out.